Two senior ZANU-PF officials from Mashonaland East are in remand prison for allegedly kidnapping a fellow party member and injecting him with an unknown substance, accusing him of insulting a cabinet minister and knowing the whereabouts of outspoken war veteran Blessed Geza. Sarabada mashoko blanyo kwa pana pachinzi aiwa ZANU-PF officials pangwa ino vachikidnapa party member of Geza's whereabouts. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa mu news day vamudanyira vachiti ZANU-PF Mashonaland East Province main wing deputy secretary for local government PANECHAMISA from Goromenzi district was ordered to apply for bail at the High Court. He appeared at the Murewa Magistrates Court, where the state opposed bail due to the gravity of the case. He will return to court on May 20. The complainant, Athenas Muzama, is ZANU-PF Murewa Sivute, District Secretary for Lands. Tvandiri accomplice, Zakaria Chaparadza, was also denied bail and will return to court on May 21. Chaparadza is ZANU-PF youth chairperson for Rupange District Wajite, Murewa North Constituency. According to court papers, 3 other suspects are still at large. The state, led by Beatrice Mukaro, said on February 27 this year, at mid-center takeaway, Murewa said Muzama was approached and manhandled by Tvandiri and his accomplices. They allegedly shoved him into their vehicle, where they took turns to assault him with empty beer bottles and logs all over the body. They accused him of insulting local government Minister Daniel Garo on social media and knowing the whereabouts of Geza. Geza is wanted by the police on the charge of incitement after he called the President Mnangagwa to step down. The state alleged that Tvandiri injected Muzama with an unknown substance and immediately he felt weak up to date. Muzama was then blindfolded with a t-shirt and they drove away at high speed. Thomas Kwaripo Pamsorobe now, I will troop on this guy. I was unaware or abductiwa numbers and members. Pangwa ino agency aruzama whereabouts Geza. Tuzima fungro enyu mutudi Pamsorobe chitko each of the comments section subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.